Welcome to the Introduction to Microsoft Excel Formatting Features, Part 4 of 7 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Video includes formatting a worksheet, quick analysis box. In order to work along with the tutorial, it may be necessary for you to have two open windows side by side. It does not matter if one window is a website and the other is an application or program. The steps of maximizing or restoring down a window is the same for both. We will be using the website YouTube and Notepad as examples. The opening slides will suggest different methods. Please see slides 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 before continuing with the tutorial. In the upper right corner, there is a Maximize Restore Down button. Restore Down reduces the window to half its size, as you see below. Maximize or Restore Down button becomes a single square. When the window is maximized, it fills the entire screen and the button is a double square. You can adjust the width and the height by hovering the cursor on the right, left, top, or bottom edge of the window. The cursor will change from the normal arrow to an arrow with points at each end. You can then resize the window. Arrows are shown in red and blue for better visibility. Arrows will be white on the screen. You can move the window to a new location on the screen by placing the cursor near the top blue arrow and holding down the left mouse button. Then drag it to the new location and release the mouse button. If you do not have Microsoft Word on your computer and you are using Windows operating system, you can use Notepad to open two windows side by side. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left corner. Scroll down to Windows Accessories and click. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Notepad. Notepad size can be adjusted just like Word using the same steps. You can also save, open, print, copy, paste, and more using Notepad. After adjusting the first window, open a second window and repeat the steps. As you can see, the second window overlapped the first. Place your cursor near the top of the second window. Cursor should be a white arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the second window off of the first window. The two windows will be side by side, allowing you to follow the instructions in the video. However, using this method will require you at times to use the right side and bottom scroll sliders. A second method is to use the Minimize button, which will drop a window down to the taskbar. Click on it to open it up. Using this method does require you to switch back and forth between the two windows. Just pause the video, minimize the window, and open up the other window. The last suggestion is to take your laptop or smartphone to a library and use one of the library computers. Open the tutorial on the computer or smartphone and use the other to follow along with the tutorial. Please click on your Excel icon to open the program. Click on Part 3 Workbook to open it. Formatting a worksheet. Not bad for a worksheet that has not been formatted. Formatting helps your worksheet to look more professional and readable. Before we begin, make sure your worksheet is on the Home tab. Tab will have green letters instead of black when selected. Place your cursor in cell A. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the cursor all the way to cell G1. The first cell selected, A1, will stay white, but the remaining cells will be highlighted. Go to the Home tab, Font Group, and click the B, Bold. Now do the same for A8 through G8 and click Bold. Then click on a blank cell to remove the highlighting. Your worksheet should look like this. 1. Formatting for currency. Select cells C2 to G2 and down to include all the lower cells. Your worksheet should look like this. Again, remember the first cell selected will always stay white and the mouse must look like a large white cross. 2. Go to the Numbers group. 3. Click the arrow next to the $sign, then click More Accounting Formats. 4. Click Currency, then click OK. Your worksheet should now look like this. Click on a blank cell and the highlight will disappear. Before formatting worksheet, after formatting worksheet. The small box that appears when you select cells is called Quick Analysis Box. Clicking on the box opens these formatting options. If your Quick Analysis box is not working, go to File, Options, General tab, and make sure there are check marks next to Show Quick Analysis options on the selection and Enable Live Preview options. Click OK. 1. A quick way to format is to let Excel do it. Excel can adjust fonts, construct borders, and add color. Highlight cells A1 through G8. 2. On the Home tab, Styles group, click Format as a table. 3. Selection box, pick one. 4. Make sure to check the box next to My Table Has Headers and click OK. 5. Click off of the worksheet. Your worksheet should look like this except for the color. Please save your work. Click File. Click Save As. Computer, Desktop. The Save As dialog box should already be displaying the name of the part3.xlsx in the file name field, since we named the worksheet in Part 3. This concludes the Microsoft Excel Formatting Features Part 4 of 7 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 4. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining parts 5 through 7 of Microsoft Excel. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this video, please contact me at gterry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.